Let's check out some food at Disneyland. We'll give you some reviews, give you some food secrets, and share some of our food tips to save money. Starting with, a lot of the hotels in the area offer complimentary breakfast, so take advantage of that to start the day off full. Or if you're like us and stay at a timeshare like Dolphin's Cove or an Airbnb with a kitchen, you can make yourself breakfast before heading out to the parks. Even if it's something as simple as just an egg sandwich. The next tip is to pack yourself some snacks in a small backpack, like goldfish, some travel bags of chips, nuts, or dried fruit. That way, you don't have to break the bank getting Mickey pretzels all day in the park. Putting snacks in your bag and getting a locker for your sweatshirt is a lot cheaper than buying lots of snacks. Alright, next up, did you know that on the Disney app you can search for food? So if you want to find something special or rare, just type it in the app and it will show you all the places that you can get it. Speaking of rare, Troubadour Tavern is the only place that you can get a baked potato. They used to have a Bratwurst there, but not anymore. Now you can get the Bratwurst at the Idlewild Snack Shack along with a turkey leg. So I got one for the line at Roger Rabbit's Cartoon Spin.
It's okay. Yeah.
The Brat was okay, but since we were in Toontown, we went to Cafe Daisy and got one of these monstrosities called Daisy's Dressed Up Dog.
Oh, that's crazy looking.
Yeah.
The bun isn't even big enough for the hot dog. I feel like you need silverware to eat that. That's the silliest thing I've ever seen.
There's a whole bunch of hot dogs sticking off on either end. Yeah, I need a knife or something.
Oh man, that looks messy. What you think?
Oh, weird. Yeah, there's like, so what are these?
I think they're just chips.
Like the chips. It's got mac and cheese,
Chili sauce.
chili, and the hot dog.
It's all sorts of crazy stuff on it.
Yeah,
I think that one might be a eat with a fork and a knife dog.
there's so much hot dog sticking out off the end of it. I guess I can move the hot dog up into more of the stuff.
It's pretty good. And it was only $1.50 more than the regular hot dog, and you get all the other stuff.
Next up at Galactic Grill, we tried the mushroom Philly cheesesteak sandwich. Okay, what is this one?
Mushroom Philly cheesesteak. I'm not even sure how you eat this.
I think you have to, pick it up and bite into it like a sandwich. You better wrap around the. You better wrap around the bottom of it. The bottom of it's gonna fall out.
Wow. What are you eating?
I don't think you got enough napkins. What is the sauce that's on it?
I don't know.
It's like totally falling out the back.
mushroom.
Wow. Very good. I'd probably cut back on all the French fried onion thing.
There's a lot going on here.
What is that sauce? Doesn't say in the description.
It's good.
Okay, here's a secret for you. All the popcorn stands have these little animated popcorn turning displays. But do you know where this one is from? Leave a comment if you know. Here's a hint. You can't actually buy popcorn there. So since we had done breakfast in our room, we opted for an early dinner at Rancho del Zocalo in Frontierland as our only real meal. Jody got the chicken tostada salad, and I got the green chili cheese nachos, both specialty items not on the regular menu. Oh, she said it jalapenos came on it. There's no jalapenos on
Want to
it.
go get some?
No. How is it?
Delicious. Help yourself, Kira.
I just want a tiny bit of this.
Whoa.
Nachos were not nearly as big as the nachos of the girl in front of me. She got like tons of chicken on hers, and mine was just like a little scoop. Look how much pico she put on. And I was like, can I get more pico? How is it?
Delicious.
What did you get? The chicken taco salad?
Chicken tostada salad.
Chicken tostada salad. How was it?
Very good. Nice and filling.
I thought the nachos were pretty good. They gave me a whole bunch of crushed up chips though. And not as much chicken as the person in front of me.
He's very funny.
It was good.
He's very upset about that.
Our last one for the day is from Galaxy's Edge, or Star Wars Land. Ronto Roasters, of course, has the Ronto wrap, a pork sausage in a pita with slaw and pork slices. But did you know they also have a veggie version? With plant-based sausage, spicy slaw, and pickled cucumber.
Totally different.
Yeah, the sweet cucumber. Never like it. I don't think it's as spicy as that one.
They're both like
Do my best impression of Peter. And it pairs well washed down with a blue milk. Well, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe because we are going to share more tips and food reviews from California Adventure, including a comprehensive review of most all of the hot dogs in the resort. Cheers, and thanks for watching.